Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let us see how to get the chessboard pattern, which is nothing but an alternative black and white squares arranged in 8 columns and repeated for 8 rows. And this is done without using any graphics file and programmed in C code. Without taking much time, let us see how to implement this in our C program. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. As I have mentioned, we are going to print the chessboard without using graphics file. And the trick in that is we will utilize the ASCII value for black and white. Let me show you by calling 219 ASCII code, and just let us print it on the screen how it looks like. On execution, you could see that there is a cursor like white is coming up. For better familiarity or visibility, I will call them subsequently 219, which is nothing but 219 is ASCII of white. We got a square like white pattern. With this as the background, we will quickly see how to implement chessboard pattern without using graphics file and with the support of ASCII codes. As we know, chess has 8 by 8 matrix. So let me define the num as 8. And coming to the main function, let us have two integers I comma j to represent row and column for the chessboard. Start the loop for a row, that is I here, starting from a 0 until num. Here num is 8. So if I is less than num, it will run till 0 to 7, which meets our 8 rows. Within each row, we want to consider the columns. So j starting from 0, j less than, here I am going to take half the num, that is num divided by 2 . I want to display them in pairs of black and white. That's why I have taken for each row as half of the actual needed columns. The actual needed column here is 8, but I have taken half of it. So in pairs, in 4 pairs, we should be able to get this one. To achieve this, I am first calling the white square by passing 219 ASCII. Followed by that, let me also call (255), which is nothing but the ASCII for black. So in each column, a pair of white followed by black square are getting printed. Before start of the next row, we will give our next line statement. Now at this level, let us try to execute it and see our results. We got alternating squares of white and black, but one thing that is missing is at row wise, the black and white squares are not alternating. To achieve that, let us go back to our code, and before start displaying of the column pattern, that is using J for loop, let us check if row is odd. To check that one, row modulus of 2 is not equal to 0, then it's an odd one. In that case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to print just the black square. So at odd rows, it starts with black, then J, which is indicating of the column for that particular row, will ensure that white and black squares are followed. Now let us execute. As we can see in the terminal, we got the chessboard, which is nothing but an alternating black and white squares arranged for 8 rows and repeated for 8 columns. And this is achieved without using graphics file in C program, and we have done using ASCII code of 219 for white and 255 for black. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.